We're going through Pineville, Kentucky. It smells like charcoal burning. There's some historic stuff. Very neat little mountain town. It's raining. There's lots of fog. Pine Mountain State Resort Park is real close.
And the prison's out that way.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what? We have time. Let's go visit the State Resort Park.
County Forestry Camp, the prison.
There's a prison here.
Yeah, I told you about it.
Yeah, you just said. Yeah. Pine Mountain State Resort Lodge, 4 miles. Woo! $1.2 million for that little house. In the sticks. What?
It's because it's on the park.
Oh my goodness.
It's at a state resort park.
I don't know about that. That's pretty. That goes back to a lodge here at Pine Mountain.
It's beautiful out
Yeah.
here. But yeah, it's lodged. Ain't no telling what these places cost.
This like reminds me of a Christmas village for some reason, even though there's nothing Christmassy about it.
Pine Mountain State Park maintenance area.
That's pretty cool.
It's an old farmhouse there. Well, what you call it? Old house.
Yeah. So we're just out exploring. We're actually on our way to Cumberland, Kentucky for the Possum Fest. And we're driving the back roads to see what we can see. And we came upon Pine Mountain. So we're going to go investigate. This is a beautiful little drive. Hello, corn. There's some little old shacks along with the big houses. So we're just going to give you a little taste of the housing and the way of life around here. A lot of older homes. Eddie and I have done a lot of work with missions in East Kentucky, and we've gone to the mountains in Sawyerville and McGoffin County, which is in a different part of the eastern part of the state. It's quite a bit north of us. But this is the first time we have been to the southern part of the eastern part of the state. So this is all new for us. And we just went through Barberville, which has a orphanage that has had a lot of people volunteering and donating toward. Did you say there's also a prison in Barberville?
No, there's a prison here.
All right, there's a prison here. Not in Barberville, though. I thought he said there was one.
Forestry camp's that way. Prison's out that road.
Okay. Is the prison the forestry camp?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. It says 3 miles.
They fight fires and stuff, working forestry cleanup, stuff like that.
Oh.
It's medium security, or minimum security, I'm sorry, prison. That's why it's called a camp.
Mm-hmm.
There's no fence, there's nothing like that.
So they like work in the forestry.
Yep.
As part of the prison.
Yep, part of their punishment is they get to work in the forestry.
They get
kind of makes me want to commit a crime.
Well, they get to be out in nature and stuff, so that's good. I would think that would be pretty rehabilitating.
Clear Creek Baptist Bible College campus.
Ooh, let's go to college there. Bible college. I don't see the Bible college. That might be it. That's a pretty big building. That's pretty neat. Oh, there we go. That's cool. Whitaker Classroom Building. Whoa. Keeps going in circles. Well, that's a pretty campus. Hey, if anybody wants to go to Bible college, this looks like a beautiful place to go.
There's the dorms.
There's
Probably
the dorms.
is. Yeah, it's apartments.
Ooh, I almost want to go. Oh, there's a beautiful building back there too. And there's a creek. Oh my. Right
They
next
spelled
to
holler wrong.
trail.
They spelled it Holllow.
Oh, they just don't spell it how it's pronounced.
Apparently.
Holler. Holla. Hollow.
I don't know anybody that pronounces it that way.
No, you say hello to say hi. Hello.
Yeah, holler's holler.
See, there's a very specific way to talk Southern, especially mountain Southern.
Say up the holler yonder. I don't know what you're talking about.
Or over
you say
yonder.
Go to the hollow over there. I'm like, what? There's a hole in something?
Where you live in the holler? Where are you from? Over in the holler. Down in the holler. Over yonder.
Well, my mama lived in one holler, and my papa lived in the other holler, and they'd meet in the middle, and that's how they ended up and got married.
With what, 9 kids?
7.
Woo, them holler meetings get you in trouble. Oh, they was married. Sorry.
Yeah.
They're good.
Knowed each other less than 2 weeks, got married, started having babies, and was married for 62 years when he passed. And she passed on what would have been her 65th anniversary. So, them holler meetings are something special.
Yeah.
I don't know which way I'm supposed to go.
That way.
I got
Somebody's
a car.
behind you.
I don't know. That's why I wouldn't go over here.
Oh.
Get him off behind me, too. He's been riding my bumper all the way out through here. Whoa. Look down there.
I ain't looking down nothing, thank
Well,
you.
it ain't that bad.
At least it's got trees.
Just look, you see
Oh, that is pretty. At least there's trees to stop you.
I can miss some trees. Watch. This is a cool drive. I feel like we're driving through the mountains.
See, aren't you glad I had you turn around?
Isn't it?
Oh, look, it says slippery when wet and very curvy, so you're going to have to drive instead of looking for bear.
I can do both.
15 miles per hour.
Well, I'm doing 20. I'm a rebel.
Going uphill.
Going up the mountain again then.
It's a beautiful foggy morning. I'm going to put the window down so I can see out. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to have my finger in the way. Hey, somebody lives up here. Lucky. They probably are rentals. Look how cute. Yeah, they're all the same color and made out of the same stuff. I'd say they're rentals.
State Park Lodge next door.
Well, no, I'd say they live there. There's decorations and stuff on it.
Got money, I guess.
Where you live? Pine Mountain? They should make a TV show. Like the Waltons. On Walton's Mountain. They should have Pine Mountain. They need some family on Pine Mountain.
Cottages, Chain Rock is this way. What's this? Cottages.
Yes, those are cottages.
Hey, one way leads to Jesus.
Cabins and cottages. Campground is closed. Good thing we're not camping. Oh, they lost their trail.
Why do they call something Lost Trail? It ain't lost. Everybody knows where it's at. Service area, cabins.
Parking. Well, this is beautiful. It's like fall. Fall is already hit up in the mountain, man.
crows. Caw, caw, caw.
This is so pretty. I love it. I feel like that would be a beautiful view if it was not full of fog. You could actually see it.
No, it's power lines in it.
Lisa's cleaning the gunk off the windshield.
Shit.
There's a piece of a tree in the road. Oh, wow. This is the first really rainy day they've had in a while. The state of Kentucky has been at a deficit for water in the past couple months. It has been very, very dry. So this is a very welcome rain. It's also cooled down quite a bit. Deer. Deer, look at all those deer up there.
66 degrees.
Do you see them? Where'd they go?
Right here.
There it is. I can't see it, can you?
I see one of them. She's right there, but I don't know where the other one went. Okay, I got her moving.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, there she is.
I'll pull over here for a second.